welcome to Ludic Science. Today I will show you this electrostatic pendulum which uses high voltage to work. The pendulum is a steel ball, and here I have a plastic tube, non-conducting, and here at the top I have another plastic tube that is inserted in this axis. Therefore, it can oscillate like every pendulum. At the base we have another two steel balls identical to that of the pendulum, and they rest on these glass containers in order to have everything perfectly isolated, because we are working with around 10,000 volts DC and we must have non-conducting surfaces. Next time you need a PCB for your electronics project, consider using the professional services of JLC PCB. JLC PCB is the world leader in PCB fabrication. You can order online. You just need to register, upload your Gerber file, and wait a few days for your PCBs at an unbeatable price. I have soldered a piece of copper wire to each of the steel balls. It is normal solder, like the one you use in electronics. You just need to sand very well the steel ball at the point where you solder. And each of the steel balls is connected to the high voltage power supply. This is the high voltage power supply. It's a cheap Chinese power supply, and it can give you from 5 to 15,000 volts DC at the output. Okay, I have everything connected, the high voltage power supply to the steel balls, and let's see how it works. I'm going to turn on the high voltage power supply. Okay, so how the pendulum works? Actually, it's very simple. We are dealing here with high voltage direct current. So imagine that this is the positive terminal and the negative one. And the central ball, it is not connected to anything. It is isolated. And at the moment that the pendulum ball touches the negative, the positive ball, it acquires a positive charge. And remember that two equal charges repel each other. Therefore, there will be a repulsion between the two balls, and the pendulum will move to the other side. Then it will touch the negative ball, and the pendulum now becomes also negative. Now we have negative, and also a repulsion between the two balls. Now the pendulum moves to the other side and the cycle repeats. Therefore, the center ball, the pendulum, it is changing polarity every time it touches the balls at the left and the right. And in that way it oscillates back and forth as long as we maintain a high voltage in the two balls. Okay, so there you have it, simple electrostatic pendulum. I hope you liked the video. If that is the case, please visit my Patreon page. Thanks, and see you in the next one.